Loitering on the chart behind me has been close by the British Isles right through the course of this week. A lot of cloud in that circulation. You can see most areas affected by this blanket of cloud tied up with that low pressure, and it's thick enough and buoyant enough in many locations, particularly across Northern Ireland, the southern parts of Scotland and the north of England, to produce a lot of showers, if not longer spells of rain, as has been the case in these regions over the past 24 hours. In fact, we are giving advice about some tricky driving conditions and some localised flooding over the next few hours. If you catch one of those showers, it tends to be around for a wee while because there really isn't very much wind across the bulk of the country, except perhaps down in the far southwest, where this westerly breeze is quite significant at times. So for the afternoon, showers becoming increasingly prevalent across many central and eastern parts of England. Still really quite gloomy on the eastern side of Scotland, although somewhat improving conditions across the far north and east, where it has been so dull over the past few days. It looks as though things are going to gradually warm up through the afternoon. Top temperatures in the south, maybe 17 or 18, something of that order. Closer to 13 or 14 in the north. Not feeling just as warm, though, if you catch the showers. Now, overnight, those showers gradually drifting back towards the western coastal fringes. Perhaps we'll keep one or two going in the Channel as well. Clearer skies over Scotland will lead to some really quite chilly temperatures. We're looking at 2 or 3 degrees there. Much milder, though, down in the south. As we go through the next couple of days, this frontal feature here moving further south marks the boundary between the showers in the south and somewhat drier conditions at last for Scotland, Northern Ireland and eventually the north of England. But it will take a time, and that cloud will be really quite thick across central areas. Temperatures, well, really not too bad again, just a little bit cooler than of late. You'll notice the air there coming in from the northeast, hence that rather cooler feel. And by Saturday, well, the high pressure beginning to build in across much of the country. This feature in the north really quite weak, I would have thought, for the most part. You may well see the odd shower across the higher ground, but generally across the country, a fair amount of cloud, but at least a good deal drier than of late. That's the weather. Bye for now.